Welcome family and friend, welcome to Smokepot and Balance Kitchen once again. You're here with one and only Smokepot. Well, today is going to be a very exciting day. Please make sure you follow us all the way through. I'm going to be having a few content creators with me and they're going to be trying some very exotic thing that I'll be making. I'm just going to give you guys a brief preview of what we're going to make. We're going to be making, as you can see right here, I have a goat head. Alright, it's burnt. So now I gotta scrape it before I use it for what I'm gonna be doing. Alright, none of my friends who are gonna be participating is aware of what I'm gonna be cooking. Alright, so as I'm saying, make sure you stay tuned. We're gonna have jerk chicken, we're gonna have goat, we're gonna have a whole lot of food, but at the same time we're gonna be having fun with the weird foods that's gonna be there. So stay tuned. Smokepot Balance Kitchen. Welcome to Smokepot and Balance Kitchen. You're here with the one and only Smokepot here. Today is gonna be a mad, crazy day. We have with us several content creators coming together to make this thing a big thing. As you know, usually I'm the man who does the cooking, so I've cooked up some crazy delicious food and nobody knows what's beneath this. Alright? So before we go into it, all our content creators right now right here is gonna introduce themselves. So let us start from.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Apple. You can follow me on IG at StarApple. That's with 3 E's, 3 underscores. And make sure you click the link and check out my YouTube.
What's going on, y'all? It's our boy D Camp. Follow my gram, D.Camp2X. And yeah.
Hi, my name's Q. My Instagram is _earthlyq. And I also have a tattoo page, Q the Needle. And yeah, we're gonna try food today.
What up, y'all? It's your boy Ro, _Rohan, run it up on the gram. TikTok coming soon. I'm really here just to drink and have fun.
Hey guys, it's Ray here. You can follow me on Instagram, HE, please no stop it. Hey y'all, it's your girl Ray. You can follow me on Instagram, hey it's Ray, _. Hey y'all, it's your girl Ray. You can follow me on IG, hey _it's _Ray. I'm here to try some good food and have some fun.
Yo, what's up? Yo, it's Zay, man. I'm about to eat some of this nonsense right now. I don't know. It's Retro Zay in the building. That's my Instagram name. About to go crazy.
Hey guys, as usual, you know it's Smokepot and Balance Kitchen. You can find me on Instagram and TikTok, same Smokepot and Balance Kitchen. Now we're gonna go into this bang, alright? We are gonna be showing 2 of our participants at a time what's covered up on these plates, alright? So the first 2 is gonna be Apple and
Zay. Yeah.
Alright, so all of you get out of here.
Yeah, get out.
You can see what's going on right
It's gonna be some
now.
nice turkey.
Alright.
We're gonna eat this good food. God bless America. I know it's nothing crazy. Let's just get our head up and running.
Right now, this is our first plate.
Yes, that's about to be good. That's probably some moving fingers, like.
This is our first plate.
Yes.
And before I open it up, I want you just, I know you can't see you in Superman,
I can't wait.
but I want you to make a guess what you think is there. Each of you get 3 guesses.
I think it's probably pigeon.
That was a good guess.
You can feel the weight also if you want.
You can feel the weight? I can lift it up?
It's either pigeon or crocodile.
Okay.
What about you? What do you think it might be?
I think it's probably like shark meat. Or probably a rabbit.
Or a rat. It could be a rat.
What?
Too.
That's a rodent. I'm not eating no rat.
It could be a rat or it could be a rat too.
Alright, no more suspense. I'm going to show you guys what it is. Remember, we have already made a vow. We are going to be eating whatever it is. But because I'm such a nice dude, I'm going to expose it to them and then give them a minute for it to marinate while we bring the other participants. Alright? So when you guys see, tell us what you think about what's underneath the plate.
I messed up doing this, bro. Oh, what's that? That's bird head, huh?
Actually?
That's really, yeah, that really might be like snail.
It's a beak.
Alright, so whatever you guys, you guess wrong, you see what it is now? And you guys is gonna be tasting. Alright?
Can I eat like the back of it?
Not yet. You're gonna eat.
No, I'm scared.
And you're gonna love it. So now you guys get out of here. Let me get the next 2 participants to come. Next 2 participants is right here with us. We're gonna give both of you two guesses as to what you think might be beneath that.
Beneath this?
Yes. Use a Superman eyes.
Fried pork.
The tongue of some animals. That's my
Okay.
guess.
A tongue of something was crazy. Oh, pigtail.
Pigfoot.
All right. Finish guessing. So now we're gonna show you guys what it is, and then we're gonna give you a minute to marinate until you get to taste. Tell us what you think, or if you think it might taste like.
What is that? I can't tell what it is.
Is that a bird?
What is it?
He just told you.
It's a bird? It's a what?
Who's a bird? That's a bird.
Head.
Bird.
It's a chicken head.
Oh, wow.
Yes. Don't you see?
Wow. This shit might be juicy right now.
All right. I know that you see get out two participants. You have Q and Ron, and make a guess. What is beneath that?
I don't know.
Can I guess? Okay, I can't. Let me get a hint. Like, is it poultry? Is it?
Yes, but yes. Yes.
So it's a bird of some type.
It's poultry.
It's
Can be
poultry.
from the dinosaur family also, you know.
Does the bird fly? If it's a bird, does it fly? If it's a bird.
Listen, me, this is not a trivia question. You have two guesses and we move on, all right? People are hungry and want to taste this thing.
All right. I have to guess before I look at it. All right, I'm gonna say it's a chicken head.
Chicken head. I don't know what that is.
Anyhow, let us show what is beneath
Why are you gonna say a chicken
this
head?
thing.
If it's a chicken head, it would be sick. No.
I shouldn't have told you that it's a
So
poultry.
many of them.
Yes. All right, guys. I've just served everybody their chicken head. So our cameraman is going to zoom in on them. They're going to taste and they're going to tell us what it tastes like, if they would do it again and all of that. So shoot out.
I'll get another chicken.
We can eat. We can eat right now.
I got a lot of fritters on my
Yeah,
chicken.
we can eat right now, y'all.
Alright, who's gonna bite first? Oh, Burberry already went.
Yeah, right. I was coming. Yeah, it's good, right?
Something on me.
Yeah. Yeah, you gotta bite it.
It's hard.
Over here.
Bite it. He hungry. He probably had this yesterday. He had this yesterday.
Everybody got it?
He acting like he ain't had it.
Yeah,
Oh, everybody eating the
That's
chicken.
not for you.
eat it.
All day, everybody eating the
Yo,
chicken.
you got to eat at least half of it.
Yo, you eating the chicken.
It's hard.
What you mean half?
Eat the chicken
Why
like this.
so hard?
No, all of you got teeth, right?
Uh-oh. Sir, you're spitting on me.
Yo, you spitting the
You're
chicken.
saying it's hard,
like,
but everybody
spat at
got
me.
teeth.
All right, let me eat it.
Please.
Bro, what?
You eating chicken head with no cheese?
Yo, let me explain. All right,
A lot of
yo.
bones in it.
All right, look,
Yeah,
first
ain't
bite.
nothing
All right,
I'm just eating the bones.
hey, yo, first bite. The skin tasting like it's tasting like like KFC.
It's
You
like,
seasoned it well.
it's wet.
But what do I do after I take the first bite of this shit? She acting like it's moving.
Apple.
Chicken inside an alligator head.
It's squirting juicy though. Look where's the juice coming from?
Y'all are blowing my shit.
I think I just like
It's
bit
because
into
you
the
hungry.
brain.
Like, where's the juice coming from?
Can you put the camera on, Rohan, please? Damn.
He's eating his
Dissecting.
Because he be eating worse than that.
All right.
Yo, make out with it.
I have
I
my
know what you
verdict.
Look at the tongue.
I know what to do. I know what to
When
do.
you open the beak, the tongue is right there.
What you mean?
It's a head.
Look right there.
It's a head.
It's a head. There's got to be a tongue.
Look right there.
Yo,
Look.
Zay,
Oh no.
give
Right?
it, give it a kiss.
I ain't gonna lie, I'm not eating the brain.
Look inside
Y'all got
The
it.
brain is the nicest part.
Two left.
The brain is the nicest part. I'm telling you.
Stop telling
Fuck
me.
that shit
I
up.
tried it. I don't like the texture.
Yo,
I really don't like
I'm
the texture.
Of the brain?
Like, I don't really know how to
The
go
texture
about
is
this.
hard as hell. Like, I can't do nothing with this.
There's no
OG,
meat
I
on
don't really know how
it.
to go about it. Like,
I would think you're a
Skin is very
grown
chewy.
I don't really know how to go
Like
about
you
it.
ain't got
Like,
no teeth or something.
Put the whole thing in your mouth and chew.
it
The
was
mouth
like,
look nasty.
it was fur right
Actually,
there.
look at that.
It was fur right there.
I'm not eating that.
Yo, bring the light close a little bit. Bring the light close a little bit.
Oh, hell no.
Yo, bring the light close a little bit.
Yo, just put it in your mouth and chew.
That sounds
like
crazy.
Whole
No, look, the mouth look dirty.
All right, guys. So tell us exactly how you feel about
shit
the
banging.
chicken
I
head.
never eat this again.
Next.
It was delicious though.
I would not eat it again personally. I did not find it very delicious. I don't think there's very much meat on it, and it's too wet and
Not even that.
slimy.
You eat the meat and then it's like, oh, this is fire. No fault, pause. And then it's fire, and then like
I didn't find it very
right under where you was just
Yeah.
enjoying it.
It's nice and
It kills
spicy
your
though.
whole
Like,
experience.
But what do you
I mean, it's seasoned well, but
Don't you expect to find a brain?
No, if I'm going hunting, like I'm gonna eat this up, like no cap.
It's like real
If you lost on the forest and have
Yeah,
all
if I'm
the
in, if
choice.
I'm hunting,
did
this,
you even eat any?
huh?
Hey, let me
Yeah,
go.
I ate the skin. The skin tastes good.
Skin is good. You
Yeah, it tastes like spicy.
People, remember, subscribe, share, like.
Yes.
Smokepot Balance Kitchen. All the participants, their information is going to be in the description on my page. So please check them out. We're going to be doing mad things. Since my food now did not do anything to them, you better check out the next one because they're going to be running like thieves, all right? So bless up everybody. Continue watching Smokepot Balance Kitchen. One love.